my name is Bilawchuk, and I'm a owner and founder of Bilawchuk Career Coach. I think a student should think about whether the company is a good match for their interests, their skills, their values. Why is it that they really want to work for the company? Thinking about what they're going to learn from that company, maybe that first job. Is it an industry that they're interested in? If you're not satisfied with a particular component of your job offer, I think it depends what it is. If it's benefits, a lot of those are not necessarily negotiable. If it's the salary, I would question, what is it about the salary that's not working for you? Would you need another $1,000, $10,000? Usually if there's something that's not sitting right with you about the offer, then maybe there's something wrong with the whole piece in general. So give yourself permission to walk away if it just doesn't feel right. I think it really depends on what it is that you're not enjoying, whether you can make a difference or not. After you receive an offer, I always encourage students to go back and ask more specifics about benefits and compensation. What exactly are the benefits? How much are you paying for them? What's your salary? How is it getting paid? When are you eligible for an increase? Are you eligible for an increase? And I always think it's a good idea to go back and talk to somebody else that's working in the job, somebody that can tell you how it really is on the inside. Now that you've got the offer, you know they want you. So go back and just have a casual conversation. What's it like to work here? What did you wish you had known? What questions wish you had asked?